It's your boy Sauce back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be showing you guys how to get the charged shotgun in creative. And like when you click on creative field, and ready up in creative field, it don't do it. So like I don't know what's wrong with it. Epic needs to put the charged shotgun in the game. I don't know about it, but let's hop into it. This is how you do it. Alright, first what you wanna do, click. You wanna do it really fast. So click play change. It would do this. Then the other method is click play, don't fill. Well, I clicked ready. Play change. Wait. Play change. Play, don't fill, accept. Then you do that. It goes to checking for updates. Then go to in game and you can go to BH map. And you go to the BH map and you will have a shotgun. I'll show you guys. Fucking. And I did get a new edit button if you guys are wondering. It is E, and my double edit buttons are E and R, the spam R, E and R. R select, E edit, then right mouse button, edit, left mouse button to edit to, and do them back and forth, and that would do quad edit buttons. And yeah, let's get right in here. Took for me forever to load in. I don't know what's up with it. Alright, what we're going to do is load up BH's map. Load up BH's map, and you will have the option for charge shotgun vault, and I'll show you guys, and you will be able to get charge shotguns in creative. It's pretty cool how they did it. They probably had to talk to Epic and stuff about it, but yeah. And I'll show you guys the other glitch too while we're in here. Let's just get a grappler. Alright, here's everything in here. There's a charged shotgun out there. Everything you need in here. Another charged shotgun. Gold. We will be showing you guys another glitch that I was saying. And let's get right into it. Alright, first what you want to do. Well, it don't really matter, but let's see this. I don't know if this glitch still works, but we're gonna try it anyway. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I'll show you how I did it. Alright, what you want to do, you have to get on this edge, I think. You have one ramp, 2 ramps out, and 2 ramps in. I mean left. Then you jump down in here, takes you into this pool, go to the very back of it, you get back here, and you got the able to fly. You can go back, you can still fly and fly anywhere you want. Pretty cool. You can even build down here too. It's pretty cool. And what I was talking about earlier was my edit button. My new edit button is E and R. You can spam them. Kind of looks like a macro. I will be doing more videos with the charged shotgun in creative, so stay tuned. And hope you guys like the video, subscribe if you're new, and turn those notifications so you never miss out. And yeah, peace boys, hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.